A quick tip: when selling your property, you want to leave buyers with a lasting impression of how well you upkept the property. A very easy method is to change the batteries in your smoke detector. If a potential buyer hears that chirp, they are going to wonder what else you did not upkeep on the property. Don't let that chirp stop you from getting an offer. Call me today.